In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify domain ownership in Godaddy. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
First, you'll need to visit Godaddy's website. Open up your browser and head over to the site where you'll find a collection of resources related to domain names, websites, and even online marketing tools. Once the page is loaded, the next step is to sign into your account. Look for the sign in button, typically found in the upper right corner of the homepage. After clicking on sign in, you'll need to choose how you want to log in. If you've connected your account to another service like Google, you can sign in with just a few clicks. For this tutorial, let's go ahead and opt for the sign in with Google option. Make sure you're using the correct credentials linked to your Godaddy account, and once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to your Godaddy account homepage. Now that you're in your account, we need to navigate to the products section. From your account dashboard, look for a menu option that says Home and click on it. This will bring you to the main page where all products and services associated with your Godaddy account are listed. Focus on the products section next, click on this option which will take you to a detailed list of all the domains, hosting accounts, and other products that you have purchased through Godaddy. Carefully scan through this list until you locate the domain that you wish to verify. Next, find and click on DNS. The DNS management section is where you'll make all changes related to domain names, including updates to DNS records. This area is crucial because a lot of what determines the direction and capabilities of your domain is handled here. Selecting DNS will lead you to a page with all the DNS settings associated with your specific domain. Now you'll see an option labeled DNS records. Click on it. Here, an array of records related to your domain's DNS settings will be displayed. Carefully navigate through the list and locate the very important Verify Domain Ownership option. It's a specific command that allows Godaddy to confirm your ownership of the domain. The last step is quite straightforward but essential. Once you click on Verify Domain Ownership, the system will check and confirm your ownership. This final step ensures your domain is correctly set up and you maintain full control over it. And there you have it, you've successfully verified your domain ownership with Godaddy. It's a simple process but very important for maintaining operational control over your digital assets. Remember, if at any step you're unsure or face difficulties, Godaddy's support resources are a click away. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.